Welcome back to the Friedli's channel. Today we are going to be making the Olivia Circle Skirt, using our digital pattern. I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a beautiful skirt that's perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. Begin by placing the front and back panels of the skirt with their right sides together. Pin along one side seam, leaving the other side for the invisible zipper. Stitch the seam using a 1 cm seam allowance, backstitching at the beginning and end for security. Next, let's add stability to the waistbands. Cut interfacing to match the size of your waistband panels and apply it to the wrong side of each panel using an iron. Ensure proper alignment and let the interfacing cool to bond securely. Step 3. Stitch the waistband to the skirt. Take one interfaced waistband panel and align it with the top edge of the skirt, right sides together. Pin along the top edge and stitch using a 1 cm seam allowance. Press the seam upward towards the waistband for a polished finish. Finish the raw edges of the remaining open side seams individually using a serger or zigzag stitch, ensuring durability and neatness. To reinforce the fabric for the invisible zipper, add a strip of interfacing to the side seams where the zipper will be inserted. Align and pin the invisible zipper. Then stitch it in place using a zipper foot. Test its functionality by smoothly zipping and unzipping. Complete sewing the remaining portion of the seam below the zipper. Aligning the edges and stitching with a 1 cm seam allowance. Press the seam open for a clean finish. Fold and press one edge of the remaining waistband panel. Then align it with the top edge of the skirt, right sides together. Stitch along the top edge, trim corners, and turn the waistband right side out. Press flat and stitch in the ditch for a clean finish. Hang the skirt to allow the fabric to stretch naturally. Measure and mark your desired hem length. Then carefully trim the excess fabric. Finish the raw edges and fold the bottom edge up by 1 centimeter before stitching the hem in place. Press the hem for a polished look. And there you have it, your stunning Olivia Circle skirt is complete. Experiment with fabrics and lengths to create your own unique style. Remember, you can find more of our pattern on www.friedlies.com. Happy sewing!